magnet and take one molecule out of this, put it here. This is the atom. It's just an even number of permanent electrons. Now, I reckon the center of the atom is probably like this, which makes the electrons go around in an arc. Like that, all of them intercrossing. The electrons go around in arcs, all facing this way, further away from the atom to there, which in turn funnels everything externally, all the free-flowing electrons in one direction, which causes a magnetic field. So the free-flowing electrons could be G under the guise of, well, you got Newton's tree. You got bloody Newton here chilling. Smack over the apple. Oops, sorry. Right, so that's a tree, Newton. There we go, a little bit better than that. Too pedantic. An apple, right? He says everything goes up must come down. Yeah, that's sort of true. But if it was a free-flowing electronic field, free-flowing electrons that pull everything down at a gravity constant of the electron field. So it could have heavy days, you could have light days, but everything would be the same. So everything would take the same amount of energy to move in either way. Also would make a lot of sense how a drone flies. It's not air getting pushed out of the propellers, which that helps with propulsion. It's the flow of electrons existing to the amount of electrons there is outside. And if you can force more electrons to equal to the electrons of the size of the object, it will float or fly using the wind from the matter of the props hitting to steer it and stuff. I'm saying it's a bit of both. Like, does a sailboat, right, get pushed by the wind? Or is it the negative pressure on the other side of the sail that creates it pulling forward? It's like saying a bullet gets sucked out of a gun. The reason I say it gets sucked out of the gun because the atmosphere is the greater constant. And you're just creating a small variant in the barrel. So therefore the greater constant is the greatest one. So it gets sucked out of the barrel if you put it down on paper. But, you know, it feels more logical to say it gets pushed out of the barrel. I don't know. Don't even know if I'm going to download this. I'm just recording it to see if I got it right. But I think I jumped all over the joint and it's too much information for one post.